Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. What an absolutely amazing find this is. Absolutely beautiful all the way around. One local lady owner from new. Incredible find. We do love to find these low mileage cars. Absolutely, the car's like brand new. It really is a fabulous example. Direct from the last lady owner. Volkswagen Polo 1 litre SE TSI engine, 95 brake horsepower, very live little engine, finished in pure white, registered in January 2018 on a 67 plate. Just amazing mileage of 3,900 miles. It's got the optional rear parking sensors. Gleaming away. No damage to loading area, as you can imagine. Beautiful inside, not been abused in any way. Split folding rear seats. Good size boot on these little Polos. Spare wheel there, complete lock and wheel bolt. Brand new spare, full size. No dents, scratches, scuffs. This is pretty much how the cars come in. It is beautiful. All the wheels totally unmarked. Matching Continental tyres all the way around. If you're looking for what a nice beautiful car, this is the one. Do not miss this one. Get a 2.5-year-old car with 3,900 miles is such a rare beast. All the upholstery is totally like brand new. Very spacious, the Polos, because over the years they really have grown compared to the original Polo back in the 70s. Electric windows front and rear, electric mirrors, again all the trims. You would think it was a brand new car, really is. Credit to the one lady owner who really has cherished the car, and I'm delighted to have got my hands onto it. Nice layout of these Polos now, all nice flat screen, touch screen, great stereo, DAB radio. You can have voice activated. Would have to go to VW dealers just to reactivate the voice if you wanted the voice setting up. Bluetooth phone, media, app connect, all very nice, straightforward, easy on that. Air conditioning, USB input just in there. SD, CD, just nicely tucked away in the glove box. 5-speed gearbox. Great leather flat bottomed steering wheel with again radio controls on there and onboard computer. The car's also got cruise control, just controlled from there. 3,965 the mileage, that's all. 3,965. 2018 car. How incredible is that? Automatic lights. If you want this amazing car with 3,900 miles, do not hesitate to buy it. You'll kick yourself if you miss it. Of course, we've got a complete book pack. 2 sets of keys, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange, great finance, always available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your monthly payments, your PCP, low deposit, low payments. You can apply direct off our website for the finance. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website, click and reserve, just to make sure nobody else buys the car and beats you to it. Click and collect, very easy, or we can arrange home delivery if you wish. Please ask us for further details how that works. Any further details, we're just at the end of the phone, 01782 822 700. Specialist cars based in Stoke on Trent, multi-award winning dealer. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. The phone number again if you wish to buy this car is 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.